How to connect and set up your Samsung Smartwatch. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Once inside the app, click Start to begin searching for devices. All available devices will appear one below the other. Click on the device you want to pair. A number will now appear on both your phone and your watch. You'll need to confirm it on both devices to pair them. Now, on your phone, give consent to the requested data. Proceed to download Galaxy Watch Manager as required. Also log into your Samsung account. After logging in, you'll be asked for further permissions for the Galaxy Watch Manager app. It's important to allow as many permissions as possible. Wait for your Google account information to be retrieved. This may take a few minutes. Select the apps you want to install for your smartwatch and click Continue. Continue to configure backup and restore of your watch data. Now let's move on to the usage preferences settings. Select the wrist on which you'll wear the watch, the button position, and click Next. On the next screen, you can create a workout routine, otherwise, skip ahead. You can wear the watch while you sleep to monitor your sleep quality. Tap and pinch to answer calls. You can quickly press the home button 5 times to call emergency services. Now, wait for it to complete. Once it's finished, you'll be ready to use. The watch will restart, bringing you to this exploration menu. If you're already familiar with the watch's functions, click Skip, otherwise, click Start to continue with the tutorial. Swipe down from top to bottom to view the quick panel. Drag up to return to the clock face. To access apps, swipe up from bottom to top. To go back, drag down. To access notifications, swipe right. Tap to open the notification. Swipe right again to return to notifications, and then swipe left to return to the clock face. From the clock face, swipe left to see all the information panels. Press the home button, the one in the top right, to go directly to the clock face from any screen. Okay, we're done with the tutorial. If you see an orange dot, it means you have new notifications.